Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create modules in Canvas. First, you need to launch your course. After you do that, you're going to scroll down to where you find modules. Right now, there's no content, so it's not visible to students. You're going to go ahead and click Create a New Module. Give your module a name. In this case, I'm going to say Week 1. You can see this option here to lock your module until a certain time, but for now I'm going to leave that alone. So there you can see I created my Week 1 module, but it's still not published. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Publish Module in all items. We'll add items in another video. Good. So I'm going to go ahead and create a couple more modules. For example, I'm going to hit Week 2. Again, you could lock it, and now you can see that once you have one module, you could even add a prerequisite. So you could have your students have to complete Week 1 before they can complete Week 2. In this case, I'm just going to leave that alone as well. So I created Week 2, and I'll go ahead and just create one more. All right, as you can see, I still need to publish all of those, or I could hit this button, which can publish them all at once. So I've gone and checked that all of them are published. Just to make sure and do a quality check, I'll hit View as Student. And you can see here, now I have the modules option on the side, and I can see the modules that I have just added. And that is how you create modules in Canvas.